Yeah, hi guys, I've waited so long for this and I can't wait to open this. This is After School's Heaven, like all versions. This is the first time that I bought like all versions of a single package. Because before I bought all versions of Shiny's Boys Meet You, but I had them on different like orders. So yeah, here are my after school CDs. I'll be unboxing them on the same time. And this is the freebie that I got. Since I saw Real Akuma, I just picked it. And I wonder what's this. This is the free capsule toy from Yes Asia when you buy 2 Japanese CDs. Real Akuma Bath Time, I think. So yeah, probably just gonna give this to my niece. God, what's this? A handkerchief. Oh, this is cute. So yeah, their handkerchief, Real Akuma. Then on to the CDs. This is the what's the normal version? This is the Jacket A, I think. The CD plus DVD version. And this is Jacket B. And this is Jacket C, or the photo book version. I don't know what letters, but yeah. I'm gonna be doing the normal version first. So yeah, I hope I get the ones that I want. It would really suck if I don't get them. Here's the sticker. After School is back. So yeah, it's really cute. And Obi strip. The CD itself, the cover. You have Iyang, Lizzie, Juyeon, Nana, Jungah, Yui, Reina, and Kaon. School Heaven, then their legs. Then the side. Then the track list. There. So yeah. Oh wow. Oh, this isn't the normal version. This is the CD plus DVD version. Sorry. Here is the CD. Really cute CD. Here is the DVD. Then we have what's this? Wait, what? We have Iyang, Nana, Lizzie, and Kaon, I think. The DVD is Region 2. I don't know if that'll play in my laptop. So yeah. Then we have Reina, Jungah, Yui, and Juyeon. I wonder which card did I get. So yeah. Oh my god, this is really no advertisement paper. Yeah, lyrics for Heaven and Crazy Driver. I really like Crazy Driver, except that I just wish that they didn't drown the girls with auto-tune. So yeah. What did I get? I hope I get either Nana, Jungah, or Juyeon 1, 2, 3. I got Yui! Wow, I always get Yui in Japanese releases. So yeah, that's it for this version. Oh no, I'm just gonna upload the. I'm just gonna have the photo book version in a different video, or I'll just put this in a. Yeah, whatever. For the normal version, this is hard to open. Yeah, I don't want to damage the sticker because I really like the stickers. I put them in my binder. here is the sticker. And there. And the OP strip. Yeah. Cover, we have Juyeon, Reina, Iyang, Nana, Kaon, Yui, Jungah, and Lizzie. On the back, yeah. Then the track list. I don't know if First Love is Korean or in Japanese. Not really sure. Oh crap, what's that? So here's the CD. It's plain, it's pink. So it doesn't look pink in camera though. And yeah, the booklet. We have the 4 girls here. I think that one's Kaon, then Jungah, then I don't know really. Yui maybe? Not sure. Where's the other 3 though? In the back. Oh. So here is Iyang, Juyeon, Yui, and oh crap, why is it so hard to like, this Lizzie? I'm not sure because everything's so blurry. So yeah. Lyrics. Oh, there isn't any lyrics for First Love, so maybe it is in Korean. What did I get? I hope I don't get Yui. Oh, 1, 2, 3. I got Juyeon! Yeah! I got Juyeon! Yay! So yeah, sorry for that moment. I really love that I got Juyeon. Yui is actually my 4th favorite member, and I'm considering like getting her cards, but I want to get like, you know, my top 3 cards first, top 3 biases cards first. So yeah, I'm gonna put this one in a different unboxing just because I think this is gonna be a longer unboxing. So yeah, that's it. Bye.